Okay, so currently working on the yo-yo that still does not yo-yo. I think I made this one too heavy. This one's super heavy and big. But I'm currently trying to work on covering up the charger light indicator. I got everything in, like the switch and charging port, added a couple little ball bearings, added these for aesthetics. Looks pretty good. Oh shoot, knocked over my resin. Don't mind that it looks like Thanos' blood, but it does light up and it looks like I'm holding the Allspark. So I'll keep you guys tuned in, but I am making another version of the yo-yo, which is obviously smaller. But yeah, I'll keep you guys tuned.